PHI's going. PHI's going now. Here we go.
Flood watch in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible?
Southeast Hartford and southern Baltimore.
Oh wait, they're doing
in northern Virginia,
what?
including the following areas: Arlington Falls Church, Alexandria, and Fairfax.
Oh, they're doing
When? Until 9 p.m. this evening.
Oh. Okay, they're doing the LWX one. Okay, so they're doing LWX first.
Poor drainage and urban areas.
The 991 went off.
Additional details: thunderstorms are likely this afternoon into this evening with heavy rainfall.
The 991 went off.
Localized rainfall amounts around 1 to 2 inches within an hour are likely. Multiple rounds of storms are possible with total rainfall amounts around 2 to 4 inches. This may cause creeks and small streams to rise out of their banks with flash flooding possible. Please visit www.weather.gov/.
Okay, PHI's going now.
Safety flash.
Please
Flood for
don't.
flood safety.
Please just do the doubleheader.
You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take
I want
action.
WKDN to relay faster, but I literally can't. There we go, there we go. It's PHI's turn. It's now the PHI one. It's the PHI one. WKDN's going off now. There's. This should be the PHI one.
What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible?
Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Camden, Vermont, in southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, Eastern Chester, Eastern
WKDN is going.
Philadelphia. When through late tonight. Impacts.
WKDN is going.
In flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details.
WKDN's going.
EAS is moving over the mid-Atlantic and northwestern Birmingham, Salem, and highly efficient southeastern Pennsylvania storms. These storms will have the potential to produce 1 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour, which, over the urban corridor, could result in agricultural. May result in flooding of storms end up back. Buildings. The potential exists for up to 6 inches of storm total rainfall over very isolated areas. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Storms will have the potential to produce 1 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour, which, over the urban corridor, could result in flash flooding, especially over impervious surfaces. If storms end up back building, the potential exists for up to 6 inches of storm total rainfall over very isolated areas.
Oh.
www.weather.gov.
Okay, 6 inches of rain.
You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
WKDN is finished.
84 degrees, the dew point 76 degrees. Relative humidity 76%. Transform a human life.